Hello and welcome back to Mr. Seal. Today we're gonna make the vase. So let's begin. First click on the front and after that click on sketch. Now we have created this plane, changing the view. And now let's draw our outline. First is a base and second is a height. Now we can set our dimensions using this dimension tool. This will be 1.5 inches, while this line will be 10. Now what we need to do is to use the spline tool to draw our outline with the vase shape. Again, line tool, connecting those points, setting this line tool to horizontal. Click escape. And now you can completely freely change the points until you get the shapes that you like. After some playing around, I get this beautiful shape. So let's click OK. Show the sketch and click on this Revolve tool. Now selecting the sketch that we're going to revolve and this axis. Great. Click OK. Now we have our vase outer shape. Now, what we're gonna do next, we're gonna make a pattern. And to do that, we will click on this top plane, click on sketch. And now we will draw the rectangle. And the support lines will help us set the correct dimension. So let's draw the support line. As you can see, it's dotted. And now we will use this symmetric tool. As well as this poly tool. We will give it its dimensions. 5, 0.3. Click OK, sketch, extrude, assign U for 10 inches, because the height of our vase is 10 inches. Click OK. Here it is, circular pattern, and the axis of this pattern will be selected as a point here. Looks great. Now let's make it a 30. And that looks completely fine. Click OK. And now we will need to hide them. So we can do this by scrolling, click Shift, and click on the bottom one, you select them all, double click, hide. And we did that because we will want to carve it out. So click on this front plane, sketch. And this front plane is aligned with this line, which is good because we will use this offset tool to offset this line out by 0.3. And what we can do now, we can just make a giant shape without any particular dimensions. That will go ahead and cut all of the axes that we have. So click OK, click on sketch 3, revolve, remove, revolve axis will be this. Merge all. It's very important to click merge all because we have a lot of parts. So click OK and let's show all of them back. Again, select Shift, double click, show. Looks good. Okay. Now what we will want to do is to unite all of these parts together but also we will want to add additional height right there above those lines. So let's select this plane, click sketch, circular tool, click on the center point, and here this automatically locks in at the edge of one of these lines. Click OK. Change the view, select the sketch, extrude by 0.75. And this, instead of new, we will add, and we will click merge resolve. As you can see, now it's one solid part. Now what we can do, we can click here and use the shell function. And let's increase the wall thickness to 0.2. Awesome. Click OK. But now we have this part that's not beautiful. So let's click on this side. Click Vase. And instead of blind, up to entry. And our up to entry will be this. So now it's exactly on the same line. And here we go. This is how to create vase in the Onshape. Thank you and have a great day.